Hi guys, so it's one of the few days ni Serenia sa Philippines. So of course, we're gonna give her a Filipino breakfast at 4 o'clock p.m. She's jet lagged. So of course, we have daing and then eggs. It's called daing silog. Tahong, like yours. And then this you know what it is, right?
I mean, I can see it.
Yeah, you can see it. Yeah, me too last night. But gatas ng kalabaw. Carabao's milk, and then you usually eat it with pandesal. That's like the typical. Yeah, you can eat it with rice. Yeah, so everything we eat with rice.
Yeah.
And this is suman. Yeah, it's protected, so it doesn't get pregnant. And we're gonna eat that later. We are gonna try this one. So we put a lot of plastic because there's a lot of flies. You eat this, right? You eat fish. You want this one? Oh, she doesn't like the fat. That's it. Like this is our favorite part, the belly, which you don't like. So good for me. And then we make the eggs. Well, I mean, there's just two types of eggs. I like different kinds together. And then of course you have rice. Okay. And we usually eat soup while we're eating. That's why they probably have a little bit of soup. Yeah.
And then the fish.
Like the fish. Okay. And then vinegar. This is what we use to dip the garlic. So how we usually eat it is like we mix it all together. Get a little bit of egg, and then that, and then the milk fish. Put vinegar and eat it. I miss this. Sarap. Try it. The vinegar too. It makes a big difference. Huh? Isama mo rin ng kutsara eh. Huwag tinidoro lang siguro. Lime? That's what you usually use, huh? Yeah, no. We went to the market yesterday, there's no lime. The way you eat tahong, the mussels, you spread the shell like that. You spread it, and then you take the inside, and then you...
Wait a minute.
It's good. Have you ever spread one before? No? I'm good at it.
Wait a minute.
Been doing it since I was actually, since I was a kid.
I like the fish.
You like fish? Good. She likes something. Eat some soup. Try the mussels. There you go. Spread it and spread, and then eat. Oh, soup's so good. You gotta eat it with, well, we usually eat it with soup and rice.
Why is it right?
Yeah, everything is with rice. Dylan's mom is a real good cook. Hindi niya kinain yung balat sa ito. You can even eat the whole head. Yeah. Even this head. You can eat. You don't eat eggs? No? You tried? No. Such a liar. Did you eat it? Just kidding.
What's there?
Ayan, nagustuhan niya yung You want the head and the body, right? Both? Good yun yung kutsara eh, no? Gusto na niya, ikanin, kumakain na siya ngayon. Usually kasi, tortilla. So kaya na siya mabilan dito. So she's gonna make it on her own. Ayun, start na siya ng pandesal. So, I'm glad na nagustuhan niya. Hindi mahilig sa bread to eh. Ay, hindi pala. Si ano pala, hindi mahilig sa bread.
Wow.
Si Puti. Sa isa. Ayan. So usually like this, ito pa, try natin.
Like this?
Yes.
Gatas ng
But
kalaban.
you eat it?
I can't. It's horseradish though. See, look. It's like a little bit of a. It's like. This is what they make for cheese, right?
Yan, yung ibabaw.
Okay, here. Try the cheese.
That's not, we call it.
Pero hindi naman cheese pa yan kasi walang siguro.
He looks weird. What does he look like?
That's a gross one.
He looks weird though. Caramel's milk tastes like sweet even before anything. But
We call it nata.
nata?
Nata leche.
Nata? Ba? What you call?
Nata leche.
Leche ka din. No, leche is milk. Leche is a bad word. You dip this. And then... Oh my God. Malap dito. Tama nga siya. Malap nga. Balong ba ipadistal ka dito eh. You put this milk. See, I thought you eat everything with rice, right? Okay.
Arroz con leche.
Arroz con leche. See? Stop calling me leche. I'm gonna get mad. Like in history, like in Spanish, like someone's saying leche, but they look mad.
Mala leche. We call it. Someone. It's not about war, but it's like something bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Yeah. Like so you put sugar.
Spice and everything nice.
And then you just eat it like that. So you got your protein, and then
Arroz con leche.
it tastes like arroz con leche. But for us growing up, we usually eat it with like a dried fish.
Yeah.
Bas.
Tuyo.
Tuyo. Or some people put salt.
Salt. If there's tuyo, you
Oh yeah, if there's tuyo, then you don't need it.
don't need the salt.
The sauce, yeah.
What?
Okay.
Tuyo, the direct.
Tuyo is a dried fish.
Oh.
Yeah. The one that smells good. Yeah. Every time we cook it in LA, our neighbors know. Salt or sugar better.
No.
No. For them, it's like a dessert. I mean, like it's probably weird for them. Like we even put milk for coffee. You've tried this before? I think so. Do you have something like this?
No, in your house.
Yeah, this is a good protection for the food. It has brown inside. Oh, what? No, this is not the typical one. I thought it was suman. Ah. Oh, this one is my first time trying this too. So you go first.
No, you're first.
No, you first. Nice. Let's say. Yeah.
It's like katamad.
Yeah. Here you go. So without the wrap. Yeah. It's chewy. Oh, you didn't eat any of the inside. Ngon lắm. Actually, nakagaling. Yung sa loob, parang malat-alat siya. So it's sweet in the outside and then kind of like salty
It's
inside.
like I tasted it before.